And my little brother's slime blanket. This is his brother slime that I made and gave him. And it's not really like slime, it's pretty like hard. But look, it's like cloud like when you touch it on paper, like cloud or something. And they got I had these Twitter packs from a long time ago. I put it here. And not long time ago, we were just
I'm gonna eat my cheese.
like
Let me get that juice.
a year ago. And not in it's 13 anymore, it's like 30.
Stay here.
I could put water in it to make it like slimier. I could put water into it to make it slimier. Water, lotion. Huh? Lotion to make it put water and lotion into it, huh? There's not slime. Water and lotion into it to make it like slimier, but
She's in the house.
like tomato slime. I guess I can make the slime too. I'm gonna try and make the slime slime.
Hey, stop. You know what you're doing. Get up. Alexis, look at it.
Get your
Go on
ass.
up there. Go wipe your face.
Your name is Miss Alexis?
Be Alexis. Or Alexis, whatever. Aiden, get over here. Want to eat? Come on, come over here.
And I had a white, but I used the white for a different slime video. I did a lot of things check out this video. And I just used the red. Yeah, go get it. Go check out. Get it! I'm not getting it. Go check out the video.
Go wipe your face. You're not going to go.